So what is a durable power of attorney, and do you need one? Hi, I'm Rick Wheeler. I'm the founder and lead attorney at Heritage Estate Plans. Not long ago, several months ago, I received a phone call at about 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning. And on the other end of the line was a voice that I recognized. It was one of my clients. And he said, Mr. Wheeler, he said, can you draft a power of attorney for me? And I said, yeah, what's going on? He goes, well, my wife had surgery and she's in the hospital and I need to access some things. So I need to have a power of attorney. And so I said, well, is she coherent? Can she understand things? Oh yeah, she can understand everything quite well. So my wife is the notary, and so I drafted the documents. We went down to the hospital, and both my wife and I have to agree that the person's coherent and able to answer questions and understand what's going on. And as we walked into the room, the lady was sitting upright in bed. She looked very well. She had her doctorate degree, and so she carried herself like that. And she began to talk, and she spoke as if she was very intellectual and things, but nothing made sense. It was kind of like, well, I got up this morning, I emailed myself to Colorado so I could speak with someone there, and came back, and now I'm ready to conduct some more meetings on the East Coast. And so, you know, email myself over there and take care of that. So I knew right away she was not in a position to sign any documents. My wife agreed. At that time, the head nurse came running into the room, pulled me aside, and said, Mr. Wheeler, she's in no condition to sign any legal documents. I said, yeah, I recognize that. And so I sat down with my client and I said, the only alternative we have at this point is for you to get a conservatorship over your wife. And so that's a court process. It's going to cost some money. It's going to be time consuming. The court's going to be looking over your shoulder at every decision you make regarding the spending of any property that belongs to your wife, kind of a thing. So, in answer to the question, do you need a power of attorney? And what is a power of attorney? Yes, you need a power of attorney. So, what is a power of attorney? A durable power of attorney. Power of attorney is when you give permission for someone else. It's a legal document. You give permission for someone else to make your financial decisions and handle your financial situations in the event you're unable to do that, or you just choose you want someone else to do it for you. A durable power of attorney means that the term durable means that even in the event that someone becomes incapacitated or can't make their decisions, the power of attorney still remains in effect. So it's a little bit different than a general power of attorney. So why are these so important? In this case that I just shared with you, there are times that you may have to have someone else that can make your legal decisions for you, your financial decisions for you. And so you're giving them permission to do that. And in the event you can't do it. And so what's really cool about these documents, there's two ways you can do it. You can have the document take effect immediately upon signature. So when you sign it, then someone else already has power of attorney. They can make those decisions for you. Or you can have what's called a springing power of attorney. And this is where when a doctor determines that you're not able to make decisions, maybe you're in a coma, if you would, then it kicks into gear. And so someone else that you've authorized can make those decisions. So nothing, is undone. Everything proceeds ahead as if you're still coherent, as you're still in your right state of mind. And then let's say you come out of the coma, then it springs out of the situation, so it's no longer in effect. So it's a beautiful mechanism that can be used using it as a power of attorney. So which way is best? Well, it just depends on your situation. I mean, you could choose to have it go effect immediately. Many cases, when I'm working with elderly couples, or someone who's got some medical issues, I'll have it go into effect immediately. That way, there's no problems with waiting for a doctor to make any decisions and so on and so forth. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, follow, share it with someone else. And I would encourage you to sit down with your attorney and get your power of attorney drafted now if you don't have one already in place. Look forward to seeing you again at our next video.